This old guy DIY video is to demonstrate a problem you may run into if you buy the cheapest handguard for an AR on a website that rhymes with Fun Joker. A buddy of mine bought this handguard. He said, "Oh, that thing really looks cool." I think he paid $35 for it shipped, and he asked me to help him install it. So I use this Tapco tool that I've been using for 20 years, and these are the little studs that engage with the barrel nut. The spec on that barrel nut is 30 to 80 foot-pounds, and when you're putting this thing on, you just put your 1/2-inch torque wrench right there so you can measure the torque. And I had it set at 25 to start. And as we were trying to torque this barrel nut down, you can see that it basically just fell apart. I don't know if the aluminum that was used here was subpar, or if the machining was no good and the holes were too close to the outside diameter. I'm not sure exactly what the issue is, but initially we tried to engage 3 holes. One of them started to break out. So we moved the tool over. You can see we moved the tool over 2 or 3 times, and that's what the nut ended up looking like. After seeing this, he contacted the seller, and the seller said, "Oh, I'm so sorry," and sent him a refund. But this is what he ran into. So in the past, I've put on many barrels that had steel barrel nuts and never had an issue. This is the first aluminum one I've ever worked with, and you see what happened here. So my opinion is, if you're going to buy a handguard for an AR, get one with a steel barrel nut, and you'll never have to worry about this problem. I hope this video did a good job showing you what may happen with a Chinese barrel nut and a cheap handguard. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and thank you for watching.